When you first come to the Avery site, if you don't currently have a logon, you're going to want to do that first. So you're going to go up to the top where there's a person, click on that, and then this is where you can create your free account, or if you have an existing account, you can log in. So first you travel to avery.com up here at the Omnibar, and you'll come to this page. And then at the top, you're going to see templates. We're going to find a template. Then once we find the template, we're going to move down and find the template that pertains to us. And most of us are using rectangle labels, so we're going to select that. And typically we use the 5160. So we're going to click on that. And now we're going to go ahead and start designing. So once we go to design, you can choose one of these, or I'm just going to select this blank design. So once I have my blank design open, I'm going to go to the left-hand side where it says import data for the mail merge. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to start import. Now, here's where I'm going to select my Google Drive. Now, I can actually upload it from my computer if I have something on my computer, but I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and then we're going to wait for it to connect. Now that it connects, we're going to pick the sheet that we are working on. So we're going to go to this sheet right here. And then this is important here, unless you want this first label for the first row to appear, you're going to uncheck this box. All right, then we're going to hit next. And then we're going to arrange our fields. So I want the name first, so I'm just going to grab this and pull it over. Address to come underneath it. And city, state, and zip code. Okay, so if I need a comma in here, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put my comma in there. Now I'm going to hit next. And I am going to hit finish. So now you can see that my labels have shown up here. I can do a preview and print, and you can also see it up here in the right-hand side. So I'm going to preview and print, and this is what my labels are going to look like. And all I need to do next is click print it yourself. And I want to print all of them. And then I can get a PDF to print. So I'm going to get that PDF to print, and I'm going to save it. So first I'm going to save it. So maybe I'll call this my class list. And I'm going to save this to my account on Avery. And my project is saved online. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then I'm going to open my PDF. Now here's my PDF, and all I need to do is click print. Make sure you have that sticker paper in the printer before you print.